arch.
Lane, right? One lane. Ethan.
One was line.
What? Hi! No, you did it! No, what? No, you did it! He unboxed his own knife Ruby! He unboxed his own knife Ruby!
Screen share.
It's a Ruby!
Screen share.
Ruby!
I want to see this. Screen share.
It's not $1,000!
En plus, je crois il est pas mal fait, il voit rien.
Attends, mais il vient d'avoir un couteau là sous nos yeux.
J'y crois pas.
Quoi?
Non.
Mais quoi?
En fait, c'est beaucoup moins épique comme ça.
I don't. I would, but I don't have that much money to spend.
He already spent $300.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Oh my god.
What did I say? What did I say? Clip it! Clip it! Clip it!
Gotta get a fat paycheck. This is why it can't be mod theater. The paycheck I just got was like $700. It's like wow.
No!
Fuck my life.
Wie gemein ist das denn?
0017. Oh ja.
Oh, I got a knife! I got a knife! Oh my god! Oh my god! I got a knife! I got a knife! Oh my god! I'm not even joking, I just unboxed a knife! Oh my god! Oh my god, Kieran! 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 Kieran's fucking new!
Wait, why? Why do you have to wait that long?
Because Steam has trade holds because of scammers. Let's see what I got today. Oh, I fucking got a butterfly knife! I deadass just got a fucking butterfly knife!
I'm going on stream.
I-
There's no way.
Fucking Christ!
There's no way.
I fucking got a butterfly
I
knife,
don't
dude. You
believe
get
it.
what? I just deadass broke.
I don't believe him. I don't believe him.
I just broke my cat.
No.
You know how he says hey sisters? Yeah, it's like hey brothers. Hey brothers.
What?
Bro!
Hey, I have delay. Oh!
Bro!
Oh my god!
Bro!
Is that fact new?
No, that's mean, but fuck, bro.
Dude!
That's hot, man.
No!
Knife! Hotel! Crocs!
No, może jakiś taki jest, zobaczcie, nie?
Zamieszaj lekko. O kurde, zaraz.
Nie! Nie!
Co? Co chłop zrobił? Co? Tak się da?
Nie! No tylko drugie już!
Ale druga skrzynka.
Nie. No. No. No.
No i?
Trade open den. Men André han skal flekse på når han kjøpte en fracture case. Oj.
Oh, bro! What? What the fuck, dude? Stop.
Det är ju faktiskt big flex då.
De fuck though.
Bend over.
Wait, Kernai, are you from the US?
No.
Where are you from?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Thank you for killing.
Finally! Finally!
Vittu, ei mun tarvi myyä, vittu. Mitä vittu? Factory nyt. Ja FN vittu.
I'm actually hoping for the gold. Like, really, I'm hoping for the gold. I just want to see the gold popping up over there. I'll get emotional. Like, I will get emotional. Oh! Chuck! What the fuck? What the fuck? Yes! Yes, I know. Een pakhuis vol geld gekregen. Dat is een fucking... What? What? Clip that stuff, guys! Factory new!
Nice, boykie.
Factory new!
Yes, one med again.
Traci? To co, opierdalamy ją i następny opening. Ja pierdolę, co jest?
Nie mogę, kurwa!
Co to być?
Ja pierdolę. Kurwa, płacę tam.
Niesamowite. Chodził tylko w koszulkach z długim rękawem. Kupiłem sobie 9 koszulek z długim rękawem.
O!
Co kurwa?
Poczekaj, coś dało.
I'll talk back there, although if they did, that obviously would be a godlike decision. We'll see. Here's the fight early on. Flamey's still alive. Simple's waiting, biding his time. There's one good kill. Another follow-up. Big double for him. And a third one to add on top. What a monstrous quad kill. Taking down 4 people. Back in it. He wants these. Let him have it. He's almost crossed into it. It's just Kenny left. He's a bullet away. And he's right back there. Simple trying to see if he'd get it done. And oh, there it is. The last one is in. The pistol ace comes through. And that must be crushing to G2.
Yes, indeed, Hugo. We are ready to get this one underway, and it's all going to begin with an A play from NIP. Masuta back here in CT spawn has Apex and Zaiwu inside the site to help him out. And Zaiwu, here's a nice start to the pistol.
What?
Oh my goodness, he's on for the ace. Oh, he's going to get it. And that right there is why I'm flying the French flag right now.
This one feels like a must-win pistol round, and well, Buster getting the first man down. Carrigan tries. What? I didn't even see where that came from. Woxic tired of waiting around. And there it is. 4 kills from Woxic. Where on earth has that been all game long for Mouse? He gets sick and tired of sitting around and just runs in with the Glock out. Takes down 4 in a matter of seconds. The whirlwind of death over here at B, and Woxic is on for the ace. It's only James left on the other side, and Woxic hungry for it, delivers all 5 in this pistol round for Mouse Sports.
Through Ivy, one man through to all of Mice and Frogolus, and they will be swarming the safe bomb site. They have good positioning. Sonic around the side from Old Bomb is just snapping them left and right, and oh god, the headshots continue here as Sonic is just reigning so dominant in this train yard, and that bomb is under control now, and it's going to be very difficult for Sub Rosa to find a way back into this one. Sonic's been on the pistol DM. James, he's got himself an ace.
2 flashes, HE, meaning that only 2 players have Kevlar. You don't see this very often at all.
Yeah, normally you see Fnatic playing just a solo player on the B site, and that would be Golden, but this time he actually has some backup, finds the opening pick. That utility still stands, so for Flusher and Golden on this B bomb site, and the rotation time from A, this is still going to be a very difficult defense.
A lovely headshot. All the smoke's being deployed right now. That's going to be a commitment. He knows it. Golden gets another one. That's the bomb going down, turning his game around here as he's looking for his 4th. Oh my god, he's on for the ace. This is beautiful stuff from Golden. Looking to convert, and he's turned it right around. He's gone from 0 to hero. Up to 8 now after an ace.
From 3 to 8 in 1 round. That's Golden's ace. That's all his.
He actually just cheats through the smoke and takes one with him. Now it's Henny at the bottom of Banana running up and getting rid of Vanity. I really like the points that Potter were making, praising Vanity for his input, for his impact on the team. Zeppa, are you kidding me? He's gotten himself 2 kills, a follow-up gush. Oh my goodness, he's gunning for the ace and he takes it! What an incredible play from Zeppa! Of the losers bracket and meeting Furia in the grand finals. Is that the world we live in? Well, we're pretty damn close. Team Liquid have looked excellent here on Overpass. A wholehearted T-side and a Liege. Oh my god, he just executes them.
He just
doesn't do the unthinkable. Oh, if only he had taken Twist's head off clean, then maybe, but Liege wants this ace, and he's got it. Jonathan Jabalabanowski, 5 frags in the second pistol. Team Liquid looking to take this in absolute condemning fashion. Oh, isn't that, I mean, I think this is just art.
Oh, man.
I could watch that 100 times over.
Utility. Yep, and they're going to try and push and attack, but yeah, look at Yumpy and Sunny. Oh, they're going to get all the information. They may not want it, but they're certainly going to get it. One to the right. Great shot, great double, and Yumpy's having 2 stellar CT pistol rounds.
Oh, it's stolen away. That is so cool. Yumpy taking down A-Core. The smokes are down in A, but it doesn't even matter. What a great way to take all the initiative away. Yumpy with a quad kill. He's running for it. He wants that ace. He's looking for it, and there it is. What a monster.
Potentially walking into a 4-player stack. As far as the CTs are concerned, it doesn't get much better than this, and that's a huge grenade. Grim, Nafly, and Twist all feeling the brunt of it, but Twist just rips straight out and gets 2 headshots before Zelsis and Cooper put down 2 of their own. It's a 3v3, but now the T's are starting to struggle. They're being submerged. Twist picks up his 3rd and his 4th kill. He has 4 HP left, but the quad's there, and there's the ace as well. Oh my god.
Russell Van Dulken coming in with all 5 Glock shots. Man steamrolled Dazzle inside of the graveyard. Then he turns around and uses his court to stand his ground. Just peppering shots into the back of that bomb site.
Oilers do have a pretty decent history on this map. They're #1 in MDL for a reason, but Mythic Reborn, they could topple the Legends. Let's see what happens. It's pistol round. Poon alone. Oh my god! An ace from Poon alone. He's tapping heads easily. Barely any few seconds in the round.
Okay, we're going to see the first one coming in from Bjorn Vangsa. Punches the head of JW. Got the hard one out of the way. That's nice. Just triple stack towards CT. They're full flash, looking problematic. Oh, he does get another one. Bjorn Vangsa onto 2, but right back. He claws it right back. It's Johansson. He's got himself a triple kill. Quad kill for Johansson. All on to none other than what the hell? Wilczewski. He's gonna go for it. Crims can shut him down, and he does. An ace from none other than Johansson.
So that's an issue.
And look at what the attention of KNG goes to. He has to look towards Long, and that slows him down to help out Mayer in the side, who's got 2 kills, add a 3rd on top. He's single-handedly held onto the bomb site. Oh, one more spin. It's absolutely beautiful for Mayer. An ace. It's magical to start the day.
I think it's more than that. I think it's on the table.
Yeah, we'll see. Unfortunately, I don't quite think so. Prism. Go on, my son. Whoa! Okay, what has happened? Go on, 5 HP. He's got the smoke, he's got the kit. Oh, done it, Prism! What is... Dude! That is insane. That is actually insane.
That is the best pistol clutch I have seen this year.
Starting up the T side, they're moving down towards underneath and catching themselves in connector. A nice early fight, but unfortunately not winning the duel. Now they've got the doors wide open. Do they want to go down through the door or move up through the one that's already open? And top and short. Durkaps is just popping off. He's got 4 kills. He's popping their heads. They were too focused on short, and he's aced the pistol round all by himself.